Hey guys, welcome to our closet makeover. So I'm going to just show you guys real quick the closet and what we were working with. It's a small closet area for me and Antonio, so we decided to come in and make it a little bit more functional and move around some shelves to give us a little bit more space. As you can see, the door actually takes up part of the hanging space. And yeah, the door hits the rack right there, so that does not work. So we're just going to be changing a few things around. And seeing if we can get it a little more functional, like I said. So this is where we're starting. All of our clothes are in the tub. So yeah, let's get started. All right, y'all, so I just wanted to come and show you guys, this is basically it. We are nowhere near done putting up everything in the closet, but I did not want to take a month to get this video uploaded because I do not know when Antonio is even going to start putting his stuff in. So I just wanted to show you guys. So you know what we did, we took a rack from over here and installed this shoe shelf or bookshelf that I'm using as a shoe shelf, which I got from Walmart for 10 bucks. And this other little rack that I already had, I'm just using it for my clutches. And then I have this down here. It's just a little bin that I keep like flats and some other little bendable tennis shoes in. This, I use this, it's actually like a little picture frame because you can stick pictures between the ribbons, but I put push pins on it and I just use it to hold my jewelry. And so we moved, y'all know we moved the top rack up and we installed this bar right here, so my bottoms will go there. My bags and more storage will be up here, and we left this one open. We did not put a bar on this side so my longer things can fit there. Here I brought in this dresser, which this dresser actually used to be brown and I painted it. And if I have a picture, I'll show you the before. But I painted it white, and I'm actually going to get knobs for it. I need to go ahead and order those. I saw them on Amazon, but I use this for like my underwear and night clothes and like t-shirts and stuff. So this is all mine, and then up here on the top I have jewelry and accessories, sunglasses, yada yada. So this will be Antonio's side, which he says he's fine with. He says it's enough for him, so he's gonna have a top and a bottom. And y'all, I'm not doing him wrong, he actually has the bigger dresser. So the dresser that we have in the dresser that we have in the room, he has that one. So he has like 7 or 8 big drawers in addition to this space, but he said he's fine with that. He doesn't have a lot of stuff anyway, so this will be his side whenever he hangs his stuff up. And then of course I put the mirror in just because I thought it was cute. So this is it. That is our semi-finished closet tour. Oh, and some of my hats, I just threw them up there on the wall, but this is our semi-finished closet tour. Again, I just wanted to show you guys now because I didn't want to wait a month or two before we actually get everything in here. So that's it. Thank y'all for watching this one. Bye. You want to see? Say bye.
Bye.